Validations of current supports is the name of the game here, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at the charts and see what we have for the coming days. What is up, you guys? Thank you so much for stopping by once again. This is ARCa coming at you with the GTII technicals, raw price action, and statistical thread of analysis on this Taco Tuesday. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video with a friend so that you and them could consider joining our trading community in Discord called ARCa Bulls. With that said, let's dive right into the charts. Okay, you guys, so yes, we are looking at GTII on the bi-daily chart here, and as you can see, we're still lingering right at that support level of the Gaussian channel, and we are not letting go of that, which could be indicative of finding a very nice area of floor, right? So, of course, guys, anything can happen in the markets. Nothing is guaranteed whatsoever. We just need to come to terms with that, right? I know there's going to be a lot of FUD. There's going to be a lot of bashers speaking about your asset, right? But just know that you're in this for your reason, okay? Have your conviction, have your thesis, have your plan, and ignore the naysayers, right? Ignore whatever other people are talking about, right? So, and everything can be good, okay, you guys? So, let's go ahead and continue on the analysis here. Yes, you guys, the more we actually validate this support here, of course, we're kind of sitting in a fine thread here, right? But the longer we validate the support, the better it is, because this way we would be able to kind of confirm that we are ready for an upside move, right? So that would be that would honestly be a great thing. Okay, so here is another perspective, right? This is the daily falling wedge that we've been looking at. So you can see just how relevant that support is where we are. We're right at the support line of this wedge. And just to remind you, the wedge, when it is formed after an upside or during an upside, that usually, or actually that makes this formation a continuation formation, okay? So that means that it would be upside, and then you have a reaccumulation, right? And then you would actually prepare for an upside. And that preparation could be actually underway just literally right now. Okay, you guys, so now looking at the weekly time frame, we still have about 2 days and 19 hours to close this weekly iteration here. I would really like for price action to kind of come up just a little bit, thus making a little bit of a hammer candle here, which would then kind of indicate or help us into continuing onto the upside or facing some type of V-shaped recovery here. We can't be too sure until we do have those macro closures. We definitely need to get them closed. Okay, you guys. So next chart, let's see what we have. You can see here that we're still at that. This is another perspective of which you can see that we're still at that support bottom, right, from that triangle. Okay, so we're still at that validation process, you guys. Please remember that this is usually kind of a natural ebb and flow to look at. The next, I mean, honestly, the next stage based on this formation would actually be a continuation to the upside. Okay, you guys, so we have to practice some patience here as all I am truly really seeing, guys, is yes, just a little bit of bearishness here, but mostly sideways trading. Okay, so as you can see right over here on the 30-minute immediate short term, we have a little bit of consolidation here on that RSI, right? We have a little bit of an upside pivot on both the 14-day simple and the RSI signal here on the 4-hour, which is good. Okay, but then you see the 6-hour with a downside pivot, right? So this is what I mean. It's just we have a consolidation here, upside, we have downside here, and it's all these upper time frames are kind of just waiting for the shorter time frames to kind of indicate where the asset can go. Okay, you guys, but to be very honest, yes, I'm still seeing just a little bit of sideways trading for the coming days, and that range could literally be between that area of about 103 to the top side of about 119 to 123. Okay, you guys, so please remember first and foremost that I am not a financial advisor. Take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy or sell or hold any assets whatsoever, you guys, okay? So I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, you guys, I wish you well a very, very good night, and I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios.